6 easy ways to make money on Fiverr. What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about 6 easy ways to make money on Fiverr. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, if this is your first time hearing about Fiverr and the power of making money with Fiverr, then you're in for a treat, okay? And if you heard about Fiverr before and want to learn how to expose your income using the platform, then you're in luck too, because this video will help you do exactly that, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the 6 easy ways to make money on Fiverr. All right, number 1, create videos. All right, you can create Facebook and YouTube videos for people. You can do intros, product reviews, product promotions. If you have a video tool that creates videos like cartoon explainers, you can make even more money and faster, okay? So instead of you having to make the videos yourself, being in front of a camera, you can create cartoon. Excuse me. Cartoon explainers, all right? And you can make even more money faster, all right? Number 2, email your list. If you have a growing list of subscribers, then you can email your list what we call a solo ad. You can charge more than $5 for this service, and you can base your price on how many clicks you are willing to provide and the quality of the clicks. The quality meaning if it's going to come from the US, UK, Australia, things like that. I just gave y'all a big tip right there. You can easily make a lot of money with Fiverr if you have a big list, all right? Or if you're growing a list. Number 3, social media posting, aka influencer promotion, okay? If you have a big following on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or even YouTube, or any other social media platform for that, LinkedIn, Google Plus, doesn't matter. You can sell a posting to your accounts through Fiverr. This is a very easy way to make income if you have a following already. So if say like you have maybe 10,000 subscribers or followers on Instagram, and you say, hey, I charge $10 per posting, your whatever to my Instagram followers, there you go. $10 made just by posting, to your Instagram followers. Easy money right there. You can do that all the time, okay? Number 4, writing. Okay, if you're really good at writing blogs or other forms of writing like, promotional writing, copywriting, things like that, this could be very lucrative, okay? And if you can come across certain softwares that can help you write faster, then you can make more money. I believe this when you can actually just talk and the system writes for you, okay? So definitely look into that. You can make a lot of money doing that. Number 5, design t-shirts, okay? If you have the ability to be creative and design logos and t-shirts, then this is another really good way to make a lot of money with Fiverr. Okay, number 6, my favorite, WordPress, okay? Do you know a lot about WordPress? Like our borderline a genius? Then the WordPress platform can make you a lot of money, okay? Because if you're a genius on the WordPress platform, you can set up a gig to help people with WordPress, okay? A lot of people don't want to do all the work that comes with setting up a blog. Okay, they want a blog, they want a WordPress site and things like that, but they don't want to do the work. They don't have the time. They got kids, they got goals, they got, jobs and things like that. They're limited. Their time is limited. You could be the guy or girl that sets up WordPress sites for people. Simple gig. You can charge anywhere between $5 to $10 for that, Simple. And then you can, upsell things. Like I can set it up, a basic setup, and then you can have like a more intricate setup, like a certain theme and things like that. It's a lot of things you can do with it, man. I'm just throwing out ideas. I'm an idea guy. I got a lot of ideas for you, okay? But you can do a lot of different things with Fiverr and different gigs and stuff like that. All right, so there you have it, my 6 easy ways to make money on Fiverr. Now, there's a lot of different ways to make money on Fiverr, but those are the easiest ways I can come up with. If you can come up with more, definitely put a comment below. All right, now, if you want to learn how my friend has turned his side gigs on Fiverr into a serious income, I'm talking about generating anywhere between $50 to $100 a day using Fiverr. Okay, it's completely newbie friendly, this program that he has, and can quite easily get you generating at least $50 per day within 24 hours, all right? Without your own website, without an email list, or any of the usual headaches and stuff like that you hear a lot of people talking about you have to have before starting to make money online. So you can definitely use Fiverr to explode your income. And this guy teaches you how to do it, all right? So go ahead, click the link below, check it out today. It's right in the description, right? The first link there, okay? All right, so thanks for watching my video, 6 easy ways to make money on Fiverr. Until next time, Wealth Builders, do remember, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.